Not exactly how I want to start the vlog, but we need to get stuff done here, as you can see. Just to give you guys a little update on everything. This is Corvette stuff, right? I showed this on my Instagram. Those are new hatch struts for the vat. And here are my new coilovers. They're pretty nice, as you can see. I'm not gonna do an open box now because we're gonna do an install soon. And also, I got new fog lights for the F-150 in Neo headlights, because those headlights, it was impossible. Look at the one I got. We got with the black housing, and I tried to get the same with the fog lights, so it should match pretty good. I think it's gonna look pretty good. And the reason why I'm doing everything here is because today it's kind of cold. You guys gonna see in one shot, but for me it's a different days. That's why I decided to work here in my basement. Here's the bumper upper part, and that's the new bumper lower part. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that bumper, we're gonna mount the fog lights because I think it's easier to do and make sure everything fits. And then we're gonna take it outside and put everything back on the truck, and we'll go from there. I don't want to work here on my basement, but I don't have another option. That's the reality. I don't have another option. I don't want to be outside on the cold. So I ordered a bunch of stuff also for the Corvette. I really appreciate you guys following the build. The white body should be here in a month, 3 or 4 weeks. We'll see. Z06 bumper should be here this week. Some liner should be here this week. I also got the new front lip, the back wing. So we are moving forward with the Corvette. So we just need to wait for the main part, which is the wide body, and that's why I need to get the F-150 ready. If not ready, close to ready. You know what I'm saying? And then we can move forward. For the F-150, we're gonna try to put everything together here. And also, I know I'm talking a lot, but anyway, not a bunch of you guys watch anything besides if it's a Colorado video, which I get it. What I decide to do is, since the Corvette is 100% my dream car, since I got here like 9 years ago, I saw a wide body, extreme wide body Corvette, and I was like, dude, that's my dream car. I know a lot of people want, you know, they wish to have like a Lambo, Ferraris, C8 Corvettes. Not me. I want my C6 super wide body Corvette, and I'm about to do it. And for that reason, I don't know if you guys heard about Telegram. Telegram, it's an app that you can have a group chat like a Facebook for, you know, for different groups. So what I did, I create a group for my channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can install Telegram on your computer or on your phone. Actually, the computer mirrors the phone and vice versa. So it's pretty easy to install. I'll leave here. I'll also leave a link below how to install that. So if you want to see some of the stuff that I'm not gonna show here, I'm not gonna show on my Instagram, go to the Telegram. You can comment, you can pin, you can send likes. It's pretty nice, but it's a private group. So I have a couple of people there. I would love for you to see there. Over there, I'm gonna share how much I'm spending. You guys gonna help me, you know, to make some decisions. You guys gonna help me to make some decisions, and so on and so forth. All right, Telegram, link in the description below. So let's work on the F-150. We need to remove this bracket here, and I think it's like this, just 2 bolts, because this is like a metal. Can you hear? It's a metal bracket.
Eventually.
Why the plans never go as they should? So anyway, yesterday, of course today is a different day, because yesterday I killed myself trying to put these brackets on the new fog lights. I finally got them mounted. There's like a gap here, but once we put the air dam on, then I can attach the bottom So what I'm gonna try to do now, I'm going to finish it up, put those bolts here. I'm gonna bolt everything on the fender, not the liner though, just the fender, and I'm gonna put the headlights on just to see how it fits, if it works, and then I'm gonna try to attach the bumper. And the reason why I'm trying to move on, I'm not showing you guys details, is because I gotta move on. So if you see a couple time lapse, you'll get why. I'll show as much as I can, but for now I'm gonna bolt on all the fenders. There are a couple bolts here, one over here, so you see it's completely loose, one on the bottom, and I'll take from there, and then when I start putting the headlights on, I'll show you guys more of that stuff. I gotta show you guys this. This kind of things you normally don't see on videos because I cut it because it doesn't make sense, but it's fun. Maybe I'll try to share more. So the hood doesn't pop when you push the latch inside. So what I did, I put a pressure here on my tripod and I put it there, and now it should work. Let's see if it's gonna work. It's hard to do with one hand though, but there we go. There you go, that works. So things you don't see.
A few moments later.
All right, the fenders are in. I check to see if the door is open, and it's opening decent. There's a C1 bolt on there, but I'll save for later because if I'm gonna take out for paint, it doesn't really matter. One thing with the headlights though, these are aftermarket headlights. You see, there are 3. I think it's LED. That I'm not even sure if it's work or not because I don't think it works. So what they did, they did cut the main corners, and they attached to, I think this was like a resistor kind of thing. So I don't have the bulb, I don't have this end here for the stock one, so I gotta buy one. So I can plug here and have the low beam. The high beam is fine, it's here. The high beam is here, but the low beam, I don't have it. So for now, I'm just gonna put the headlights on without the low beam, and then I'm gonna order the part and then go from there. For the headlights, attach here, 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 and there's a clamp that goes here. Should be pretty straightforward, but we never know. And there's one on the bottom too. All right, so let's see. I know I should not do this, but I can't. Looks so much better already. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not closing because I don't want to trouble to, you know, try to open the hood. But now I'm gonna attempt to put it back on the bumper, which is gonna be fun. All right, she is not quite, it's almost there. I need to figure out some stuff and I'll show you guys. Here the fitment's pretty decent. Look at that. Here I still need bolts here, still need bolts here. See, this is supposed to be here. It's in, no, look at that. This is how fun it is. This is very like, it's a line. The problem is also this truck was hit and the side, so everything here it's bended and it's really hard to make fit. I tried to find my way, but what is kind of throwing me off, first I left the headlights are like loosed, so I have access to put the socket that I told you guys about. And the thing is here, look at how off it is. You see, I don't know if I can shift this bumper this way, or if it's just like aftermarket thing. Look, it's super off. Here's good, but here, I don't know. I'll try to play with this. but I don't know. Looks pretty straight from here. Look, even the headlights here are super straight. And here, if I can shift this a little bit, it's going to be off here. I don't have that much room on this side, so of course there's no fender, no liners, and that's coming later. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. So those, I'm gonna try to put a switch back on. I just need to figure out which bulb goes. But look how nice these LED. I put the LEDs on. The LED didn't came with it, but I put it on. I really like this. This is kind of like you need to attach to, but I think here is so bended that I don't know. I need to figure it out. That's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy it. I think it's coming along. My goal was to make sure everything fits right, and kind of fits right. I just don't know about that part though. If you have any ideas, let me know. Oh, don't forget Telegram. Link in the description below. If you don't know how to use the Telegram, I'm also gonna leave a tutorial down below so you can enjoy the family. I don't know, my camera is pretty dirty. So anyway, if it was dirty before, sorry, but let me know also what do you think of the F-150. And as always, I'll see you guys next one. I'm pretty tired. It's 10:30 now. That's how I work on the cars, just to give you an idea. And now I'm also gonna order the new carpet, and then I'm gonna clean it up the interior. Should be pretty drivable. Just try to figure out that thing, and it should be good. All right, I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.